I got to know the Holocaust one summer. I think I was about 14, no, maybe 13, 14. We had a outside veranda, one flight up, outside stairs, outside veranda. And during that summer, not just then, but that was particularly that summer, it was like almost every evening, Holocaust survivors who came to the States on some kind of temporary visa, special visas, to get a full visa at that time you had to leave the country to get the visa. So they would come to Montreal. Sometimes they would stay with us, but very often they would visit us. They were friends or they were friends of friends. And just about every evening, for a summer, people would come up, and there'd be 6, 8, 10, 12 people, not all from, some from Montreal, but several survivors. And at that first wave, they talked. The repression came after for Holocaust survivors. As they made a life for themselves, as they had children here, they didn't want to talk about it anymore. And every night, and they were there till 11, 12, 1, on weekends, as they came. And I would stay up. And I heard more stories about survivals, non-survivals, relation. I don't remember most of those stories, but it really made an impact on me. And later, as I read about the Holocaust, years later, when people were writing, there was very little new. The Polish Holocaust, the Polish events, not life in the ghetto, the Christian churches in the ghetto for converted Jews who were Jews under the Nazi laws. They might not have been under the Nuremberg laws, because the Nuremberg laws were a little looser than the Jewish laws in Poland, in the East, or in France for that matter, when they applied them.